Hey guys, Brendan here from TAT. Just want to take a moment to talk about Airbag Man air suspension. So I've been fitting these for a long time to vehicles. Airbag Man's been around for over 25 years. So we've just finished doing this brand new MU-X here. I'm going to give a great solution, as we often do. The most common kits that we tend to find are for your grey nomad type tourers. When they fit a regular van these days, which as we all know tends to be a pretty bloody big van, it's a great option for them to be able to have that comfort around town. But then because we get that nose sticking up once they do put the van on there, we can go and pump the bags up and they can neutral out the stance of the vehicle, get the wheel alignment at least closer to what it should be while they're towing. So the Airbag Man Firestone bags that we've been using, I've had absolutely no problems with them. They're a high quality product. Airbag Man themselves, you know, they do four-wheel drive, they do commercial, they do combat vehicles, you name it, they've been in the business and they've been doing it. The sleeves that come with them as well, so while they are a bit of an abrasion resistance, which is what everyone thinks they do completely, they also offer you the ability to be able to raise the pressure. So by having these sleeves on there, it enables you to raise the pressure. Now the kits come with everything, so I've just opened up a similar kit here that I've got for the MU-X for another vehicle that we're going to be doing, and it's a set and forget type situation where you open it up and you can get the job done. Very easy. I also like how it comes with your little QR code, which not only does that give you some instructions where you can get through to the actual installation of it, but you can give this to the customer and it basically gives them the rundown of how they can best care for their bags, how they can use them, and all those kinds of great things. So an Australian owned family company, been around forever. If there's anything you want to know about airbags, these are the guys to talk to. Their kits, I've been fitting them for a long time and I definitely rate them.